Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo IdeaPad. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo IdeaPad is lacking performance, it might be due to insufficient RAM. This is a common issue that can slow down your device when running multiple applications or heavy programs. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further performance degradation, making your computer frustrating to use. To get started with this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic prying tool, and your replacement RAM. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by flipping the laptop over and removing the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws safe, as you'll need them later. Carefully use the plastic prying tool to lift the back panel off, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Once the panel is removed, locate the RAM slots. If your Lenovo IdeaPad has soldered RAM, it won't be removable. However, if it has accessible slots, you'll see the RAM stick secured in place. To remove the RAM, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM stick apart, and it will pop up at an angle. Carefully pull it out without touching the gold connectors. If you're replacing it with new RAM, align it properly with the slot and press down firmly until it clicks into place. Always ensure you've grounded yourself with the anti-static wrist strap to avoid damaging any components with static electricity. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the new RAM is in place, it's time to replace the back panel. Carefully position it back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips align correctly. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier, but be cautious not to over-tighten them, as this can strip the threads. Now, power on your device and check if the new RAM is recognized by the system. You can do this by accessing the system settings and checking the memory information. To prevent similar performance issues in the future, consider upgrading your RAM if you frequently run demanding applications. Regular maintenance and keeping your device free from dust can also help keep it running smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.